the Ring camera picked up the burglars attempting to get into the house. They suddenly realised they were being caught on film, at which point they tried to cover their faces and disappeared off. We have three sorts of Ring devices. We have the Ring video doorbell, we have a number of stick-up cams, and at the back of the house we have a Ring spotlight cam. And these are all connected to the Ring app. I rang the local police. The police were able to recognise the burglars for a number of thefts in the wider area beyond ours. They were absolutely amazed at the quality of the footage. I set up a neighbourhood watch group. We've got now over 250 members.
I've been a Ring customer for 6 years. It gives you peace of mind. It's an absolutely fantastic way of communication. Not only for your own purposes, but for your community's purposes as well.
People need to feel safe at home. Ring helps us build a community where we look after each other.